What up, YouTube? Back at it again, Carmelita and
Family.
She's still too shy. We're gonna be showing you how to cut and eat a jackfruit. We're really not experienced with it at all. Say hello, sissy.
Hello.
That is Rebecca, my daughter.
Oh, and
About
guys,
time she's on the camera.
Guys, this is what the jackfruit.
Hold on 1 second, but I've been YouTubing. I've watched a couple videos, but I watched a couple videos on the big jackfruit. So we're doing just the smaller. How many pounds is it?
I don't know.
Turn it around. If you could see.
2 pounds, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds.
Let me see.
1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds.
Let me see,
4 pounds, 5 pounds.
Robert.
I don't know. This is 470 pounds.
It is 1 pound 29 ounces. So 1 pound 29 ounces. It was $11.74. I don't think that's 1 pound. No, that thing is a lot heavier than 1 pound.
Hey, stop. I'm looking.
Let's let Rebecca look. But we're gonna cut and eat a jackfruit. The ingredients that I've been watching that I needed: gloves because the sap from the jackfruit, the actual jackfruit. We're gonna have a bowl to cut and eat it. We're gonna have. Well, I'm gonna do the cutting. The knife, and I have some spray butter because they say the jackfruit is sticky. So I'm gonna spray the knife so it won't stick to the knife. So I'm gonna put you. I'm gonna put you down. And we're gonna get started. So this is our first time eating a jackfruit. This is our first time eating a jackfruit, and we're gonna see. But we have more videos coming at you. Hold on, Stink. We have more videos coming at you. Let me get on my gloves. We have more videos coming at you in the next couple days.
Oh, you'll be in luck for the noodle one.
Yeah, we have we bought a couple of interesting things. Y'all can help. Don't go ravage. Savage.
What a line.
It smells good. It smells like a pineapple.
It is actually so porky.
Pineapple faker.
Pineapple, this is copyrighted off of pineapple, just to let y'all know.
It smells, it smells really good.
Oh yeah, it smells really good.
Smell it around.
I can smell it already.
Okay, let go.
Let go.
Okay, I'm gonna lay it this way. I'm gonna
Cut it. Spray it.
take the knife and I'm gonna spray it.
Smells
Oh, this is ruining the smell.
It smells terrible.
This is ruining the whole smell.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna stand it back up.
Actually, it's not that bad.
It smells like butter.
I'll put butter spray on
Which is
it. Okay,
delicious.
this knife is pretty dull. Let's see if we can cut through here.
No. Yes.
If I can put it down.
Just stab it like
Okay.
Jason. How Jason does when he kills his killer. Michael Myers. And Jason.
Okay,
Oh, and raise your hand.
there it goes. And then they also said cut out the middle
Comment if you see the movie Freddy vs. Jason.
because it's not edible.
Yeah, that part isn't edible. If you try to eat it, you'll die.
You'll fail.
You'll die.
Okay,
So don't eat it, and don't try this at home.
this is really tough to get into.
Kids watching, you'll have to do this with the parent.
Yes, please do not. See if you can find somebody a lot older that can handle a knife,
Like your parents.
like a parent.
Or a teenager.
I wouldn't suggest a teenager, like my daughter said. A
teen?
parent or an adult.
Or a foster, or
This is pretty tough.
You need help, mommy?
No, I don't.
Take it out.
Okay.
I'll throw it
That
away.
part is not edible.
I'll throw it. Let me see it.
Excuse me. Okay, it's gonna be plenty to throw away. Grab a seat, please.
Don't push me. Stop pushing me.
I need the middle so people can see me.
They can see you, Stink. Well, Ryan. Okay.
Stop coming. You need
There is
dragon.
no.
I need
They
dragon.
said the white part isn't edible. So, who want me to be the first one to try it?
Oh, I'm gonna try it.
I don't know if this is the edible part. There you go. There you go.
Oh no, this part isn't edible. Jackfruit's good. Oh, what happened? It's cold.
And they say they also have these big old seeds in them, and they also said you can save them and roast them. And I've seen several YouTube videos make soups and out of them. So there's the first one. How is it?
Delicious.
Is it?
It doesn't taste edible to me.
When you peel out the fruit, you gotta peel the white stuff off.
Yeah.
It tastes good, but it doesn't taste edible.
It's too hard.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
Yeah, if you're thinking of tasting these parts, you're not gonna expect. If you think it's all nice and soft, no, you're wrong. You're wrong. You're very wrong about that. And now I almost just got cut by a dog knife.
No, you didn't.
It was this way.
I don't know if we're gonna keep the seeds or whatnot.
So we can roast them.
We can roast them. We can look on there. That could be one of our other YouTube videos.
Yeah, we'll roast them. Yeah.
Oh, you're running around the ground.
Oh, and I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. How to shoot hoops.
But how do you think it tastes?
It's too good.
Ryan is a picky eater.
I'm not a picky eater.
It's cold and delicious.
I taste one.
It's way better than bananas. I hate bananas.
Oh, and an update on the Section 8. We found the house. It's in Mariana. It's in an extremely country part, and it's country.
It's pretty good.
I got a big piece.
It makes me feel like Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Random topic.
Pizza Hut is pretty good.
I prefer it terrible.
This tastes pretty good.
What?
Very awesome.
This is not bad at all.
It's not bad.
Oh,
Not bad at all. Yep. Now, I want to peel it.
it is really sticky. Like even my gloves are like really sticky from it.
Mommy, my gloves aren't sticky.
Don't eat it from there, Rebecca.
Oh, don't eat the seeds. Put the seeds in there.
I don't know.
I'm gonna find seeds.
I think we need like a better one, because I don't think this one is as juicy as the ones I've seen on YouTube. Like they were like extremely juicy. The ones on YouTube.
You know why it was you gotta get deep into it to see the juiciness.
But this one, jackfruits are
Oh no. You gotta
has a lot of fiber in them.
Yeah.
And it's an extremely healthy fruit to eat.
And that's why we're eating it.
I wish I can give you a little bit more information about it, but I really didn't. Well, let me grab this knife, Robert, please. So. Okay. Don't try it at home.
Don't try what?
Pick around it, Rebecca. Let's help me debone this one.
I want to debone that. I want to
Yeah,
debone
it's
something.
another piece.
I want to debone.
Deep on this one.
We'll take off the white pieces so I can slice it again so everybody can start taking off the white stuff.
I don't see any white pieces.
That piece you're supposed to just eat.
Oh, I don't want it.
Hey, Rebecca.
I want a piece to take off the white parts.
You don't want it? I'll take it.
Yeah, you can have it.
There you go.
Alright. Yes, I can debone this.
Ryan, please just watch out for the floor. Please, because you got stuff hanging, stuff is dropping.
Bro, find the seed.
I found the big part. These, be in mind, these white stuff are
But
very.
keep it here. And you grab it from there, please.
It be in mind, these white stuff are very tough to take off.
It's extremely tough.
See how I'm barely getting it done?
That work there.
I will tell them what we're doing right now.
We are taking off like the skin, I guess.
Yeah, it's just like a piece of.
Oh yeah, we're taking off. Thank you, Robert. We're taking off the skin. You can take this and make like a little pal in the middle, and it's really sticky. But we're taking off the skin, and it's like the casing. I would say. I mean, like they have like a casing within a casing. Then like the actual seed has like a casing, so it's like two. I guess if you would include the seed, it'd be like 3 extra. But you got you have this white stringy stuff. Then you also have the actual nut. And what is it called?
Seed.
The actual seed. Thank you for figuring it out. The actual seed. And then you also have the white stuff. Thank goodness we did not get a big one.
Yeah, this will take us ages.
Yeah, because we were also looking at the thing. The man said it. He
Guys,
had
look.
the man had pulled the YouTube. I can't remember his name, but I'm sorry, but he had talked about it. You can have it if you like. The man had talked about it, and he said it took him almost 2 hours to peel and take the casing off of a jackfruit. So this is an actual process.
So this is gonna take us you're gonna have to stick around for so long.
Yeah, this video can go for a little bit longer.
Yeah, it's at 12 minutes right now, I think.
Yeah. We got 13 minutes.
This one is broken.
You throw it in there, it's fine.
Oh.
Then we're about to go get a house, so we can start planting some fruit trees. And
That's what I was saying.
And then we can.
What?
We should plant the seed instead.
And we can see if it can grow here.
I've always wanted to grow a banana
taste.
tree. I've always wanted to grow a banana tree. Well, it looks like my dream's gonna come true.
A banana tree?
Banana. You got bananas.
I know these aren't bananas. I said I've always wanted to grow a banana.
It just tastes like
Oh, I don't get this part off.
several different fruits. And then they also said it tasted like a juicy fruit. I don't think so. Well, kind of. Maybe if you grab a more ripe one, it tastes like juicy fruit.
Yeah, because I don't see any juiciness in these. So this is pretty weird. Because all these should have juice.
Can y'all take the casing off, please, before y'all start chomping away?
Okay. Like the brown stuff?
The white stuff.
White stuff. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine, thank you.
Okay. And this will, and you think this is easy? No.
You should have pulled your sleeves out.
Extremely hard. I thought I pulled them all before.
Why'd you wear long sleeves there?
I don't know.
Y'all check my daughter out? Say hi, sissy.
Hi. Again.
She She's never on the YouTube.
So this is the day we actually get to see her.
You actually get to see her.
Yes, because she is very
Private.
private.
She likes her privacy. And the crazy part about it, that's what I was just looking up. He asked my youngest here. He just asked me to ask what his sign was, and what are y'all Scorpios?
Oh yeah, me and Rebecca are Scorpios.
Scorpios, and they have entirely different personalities. You would have never guessed it.
If you thought you would never guess that me and Rebecca.
When y'all get done taking this stuff, the casing and stuff off, y'all can throw it in here.
Where?
And this thing. But just remember when you get big pieces out like that, you gotta dig inside and take out
at the last part at the end. So at the end, when you're done, when you see no more of the yellow part, when you're all the way at this part, this is actually what it looks like, guys. That's what it looks like. And now, if you saw this part, I'm just gonna tear it, and so I can get the rest.
Mama, you're off in the kitchen that covers the sea.
That's what we're talking about. It's all right. I don't think I would buy it again.
Yeah.
How about y'all?
No.
Rebecca? How you think it is?
But we're not saying that you don't have to. We're not saying.
I think it's delicious.
Oh, when you get to the end, it's really like slippery right here.
My dog thinks it's delicious. I think it's out of a 10, I'll probably give it maybe a 4. How about you, Stank?
I give it like a solid 7.
You barely ate any of it.
I still like it.
Robert?
Or not, 8.
Speak up.
8.
An 8.
Rebecca?
100.
Oh, dang
A
it.
10. 1 out of 10. And what do you give it?
A 10.
Oh, she says a 10. Really?
It's good.
Bro, this is a fresh piece that I peeled out with the white.
It's so bitter. I mean, not bitter, but
Bitter?
it has a weird taste.
Yeah. I like it, but it has a weird taste.
What happened to this one? I'll cut it open for you.
Mommy, can I do another one?
No, Ryan, what are you doing? What are you doing down here, Ryan?
You can put all the trash in here.
Okay.
Messes are being made, and
This is a really bad process of the video. So
we're in a hotel, so we have limited space, and we're trying to make do what it do. I said trying to make do what it do.
Trying to be rude.
Trying to make, because I'm going to make it do what it do, baby. Baby.
it makes sure, and we are aiming to get 1,000 subscribers.
10,000?
10,000 subscribers.
I found a seed.
Actually, we're just at least just trying to get 100 or 10 or 5.
Mommy,
More.
I found a seed in here.
Uh-huh.
More. Mommy, can you give me a piece that I can tear open?
Ryan, you can start eating some. You said you give it a 9
No.
or 7, you
Robert
said.
said that. I said it's solid 7.
If you gave it a 7.
Robert said 8.
Robert said 8, Ryan said 7. And I said 3.
So we're not really
4.
talking.
4.
We're not really have to talk to them more.
But if you give it a 5, a 6, what do you say, 6?
7.
7. Ryan, if you give it a 7, you would be eating more of it. I don't see you eating any of it. I think you just fronting for YouTube.
No, I actually
Yeah.
like it. Look, I'll eat this whole piece.
Eat it. That's not a lot, Ryan.
You went for your glove there. But anyways, we did find the house. They didn't go see it though.
Comment if you think in the future dogs will be able to fly and they'll be able to talk on their own.
Oh God.
Everybody will be able to fly.
No, they won't.
Say what?
You just got pranked.
If you think dogs will be able to fly in the year 3001, comment and think. Tell us your thoughts on that. I don't think dogs could be able to fly.
Why?
But
Dogs will somehow grow wings.
my daughter said dogs will grow wings. Okay.
Oh look, Mommy Stephen.
Stephen Curry.
Stephen Curry.
But like I said, found the house. The kids didn't go see it. My boyfriend and I went to go see it. I like the house. It's kind of old.
Can we go?
It's a kind of old house, but
it's still a nice one.
you haven't seen it.
You haven't seen it, right?
It's a 3-bedroom. It's next to a farm, I believe. It's like her son lives across the street or lives across the way or whatever. I don't know how to say it, but I'm saying the street. It's not even really a street. It's like
I'm gonna turn this off.
a driveway or whatever. Her son lives over there, and then another neighbor lives across the street. Live next door. It's a fence that divides us. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Has a laundry room, full living room, full kitchen. It also has a den as well.
For Rebecca.
For my daughter, because she wants her own. Well, she was gonna have her own room anyways, but now the boys can have their own room. So they're kind of excited because everyone wants to have their own space and do their own thing. It's a big enough living room for us to have movie night.
And what we're gonna watch is Freddie and Jason.
I don't know about that.
Wait, what? You have to watch horror movies then. Oh.
I know we can watch The Black
Phone again. No.
Yes.
No.
I don't want to watch it because I didn't see
y'all
it.
Two missed it. Y'all missed all of it.
Yeah.
I watched all of it.
When I was in the bed, I fell asleep on it.
Check it. I didn't even get to watch the movie.
Y'all both.
Because we were like so busy at that time. It was like on the about to move to come down here. So
and at this time,
Ryan fell asleep.
And
Robert fell asleep. Rebecca was the only person that got to watch it. I had to leave to go handle some business. And
guys, what happened?
Near the end of the movie.
Who did?
You
did? You fell asleep right then.
I don't know. I don't know when you fall asleep. I don't know when you fall asleep.
When you fell asleep.
Robert, I don't know when you fell asleep.
Really, Robert?
What is wrong?
I'm trying to push it.
No, handle the stuff on the table. With the trash it.
Where's your eyes?
Underneath Ryan. Cover your mouth, please. And Ryan, why you keep on taking bites off of these things and not eating them? You took I see 2 big old bite marks gone.
I took those.
Excuse me.
Those bite marks. I digged in there.
Why did you eat them?
I digged into this. That's what I did with my finger. I just drilled it. Oh, and it matches it perfectly.
It's like a dry fruit.
I'm a
Wes!
He's asleep.
He's still knocked out. Dang.
Oh, and by the way, by the time this video probably ends, right now it's been 24 minutes. Well, 20 more.
They'll know how long it is, then.
But we haven't posted the video yet.
Yeah, but once it is posted, they'll see how long it is. He just wants to say something.
Oh my God. That's all I want to say. What?
It has like a hint of juicy fruit.
Yeah.
It also tastes like a melon. It also tastes like pineapple,
Mango.
But if it was more juicier,
then it'll be more
I
better.
think it'd be better if it was a lot more juicy.
Sorry.
But it's like a hint of juicy fruit, so I can see why the lady said juicy fruit.
That's what it looks like. First bite's yours.
This is hold on, I'm about to open it. This is like the casing.
Yeah, that's the casing of the thing.
And it's like a hole.
That
And you just pull that
first
seed out of there.
Hey, stop.
Ooh, Robert, move your leg.
I don't like it. It's not good to me at all. I give it a 2, maybe a 1. I can't get through a whole piece without wanting that to be over.
Oh,
Maybe.
Guys, I
maybe
saw this
the
channel where
melon
one
will
of the
be better.
videos on how to shoot ducks, and they did the opposite. They said this girl, her wife was the dunk legend, but she barely did any dunks from highness.
What happened?
It's like this YouTube channel that only gets like near 500 subscribers on their like when they post like 500 subscribers, and
Thanks.
like the subscribers when they hit the subscribe button. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Just what you should do is everybody like, comment, and subscribe.
And if y'all want us to do another YouTube video on another fruit, comment and let us know.
Oh, and we should comment if you want us to do bamboo. I mean, no, what's it called?
What?
That thing. Oh, sugar cane.
Oh, or sugar cane. We saw the.
It's gonna make our teeth go bad. So yeah.
I'm not actually eating it one
We're never
time.
gonna eat that one. Never.
Should go.
No, it's
Okay, this is what. Oh, I found.
second piece.
It smells pretty good.
Let me touch a seed. Let me get a seed. Let me get a seed out. Let me get a seed out. I don't know what a seed feels like. Oh, and just to let you know, these seeds are very slippery.
Super slippery.
Super slippery.
I'm done.
Oh.
You don't want to help anymore?
I'm done.
You done eating it?
Oh,
Is it
and
still good
we
for you?
filled the bowl really high, and this is what
It's really not that high though.
It's pretty high.
But I'm gonna use one more hand.
Oh, and this is what we did so far.
Scoop the melon over there.
This is what we did so far, guys. This is what we did so far. I
That's
know.
the other half of it.
Mhm.
Only want a little bit more. Then you have to help Robert. A little bit more.
But back to the house, like I was talking about. It's a nice house. It's pretty far. It's about an hour and 25 minutes from Memphis. Yeah, it's pretty far. There's hardly no jobs down there. There's hardly no land. They have one store. They have a grocery store called Giant.
I found another one.
Penny?
No, it's called, what is it called? Food Giant. It was called Food Giant. And we went and looked in it. It's pretty decent.
Yeah, it's a nice store.
Ryan.
You didn't go, Stink.
Why?
You didn't go.
Business.
Can I go?
What?
Get out.
Yeah, next time we go. I gotta go down there and give her paperwork. I mean, she gotta sign the paperwork, and I gotta go back in there and sign paperwork. So y'all can go when I go next time.
It was business.
It was business, not pleasure.
So they could only go?
No, everyone can go next time. I just said that.
No, before.
Only Mr. West and I went.
Because it was business.
Yes.
I just told you that, Ryan.
But it's some nice land outside. I can finally give them a trampoline.
Yeah. I've always wanted to have a trampoline so I can fly into the sky.
Or a swing set.
No.
Swing set.
Or a swing set.
Oh,
They're obsessed with the swings.
yes, it's this.
And
Only me and Robert, but not Ryan.
I'm obsessed with this one.
not It says obsessed.
No, it's not.
And it's you know how juicy fruits, and it's not as juicy as a actual
Fruit?
like a melon. Like if you get like a juicy melon, I don't know. I'm thinking it's like dried out or something, because I don't think it should be like this. I'm not for sure, but
Pick up this, guys.
That was your mess. It was your mess.
that's how it came out. It looks like a flower. It's beautiful.
A petal.
Yeah, petal. Let me see. I get it.
Thanks, Mom. And we've done a few more processors.
Rebecca.
And now we're just gonna turn this off and fast forward. We're gonna tear this off.
You need to pull up your sleeves.
This one falling down.
Well, then you shouldn't have worn a long sleeve shirt.
But I'll just take off my shirt. I just take off my shirt.
But the seed is nice and slimy and juicy.
Okay.
The seed looks like it's all shiny. You can't really see it.
It's like a baby.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like a baby, like a sack or something.
Yes, these seeds are it's like a baby nest egg.
It's like a sack. Like it's it's so weird. Look, like the vein. It looks veiny and everything else like that. It looks really weird.
If you get really
Like a
close
human
to it,
baby.
Like a human baby.
you can actually like see the
When
veins.
they were first born.
Yeah.
You can actually see the veins on it. But
That was a good picture stain.
a good what?
A good view to show them when you just showed them.
Oh dang! Time has fly by so fast. Look.
We're at 32 minutes. We got about a minute and a half left. Please, if you like the video, just comment, like, subscribe. We're just gonna show you everyday life. We're not gonna show you anything spectacular, but it's a good way to try different things, to let people see about different things. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Anything else left to say, guys? Hurry.
Peace.
Please like and
That was my daughter being obnoxious.
Oh, we're about to turn off.
Anything, Rebecca? Anything, Ryan, Robert?
We're about to turn off.
It's about to go off in about less than a minute.
Whoa.
About
Seeds
40
look like
seconds.
babies.
Seeds look like babies. The fruit is not really juicy like it should be. Anything else?
Like, comment,
Peace out.
subscribe. Peace out.
Peace.
And